Coffee spot. Coffee spot. But the hustle never stops. From sunrise to the late night grind. Fuel in the cup, power in the mind. Brewing dreams with every drop. This is the place we call it Coffee Spot. Sip the fire, taste the dry. We keep the culture alive. Every moment, every shot. Greatness starts at Coffee Spot. Oh, Coffee Spot.
Congratulations! Coffee Spot sa Palok Manila!
We reach for the sky, from the corner streets to the nationwide line. We ride, we race together. We are Coffee Spot.
Simula nung una hanggang uli, talagang inalagaan nila kami. Yung mga bagay na hindi naman dapat nila inaasikaso, pero sila yung umasikaso. Ganun ka-solid si Coffee Spot. And sa aming mga staff, lahat sila sobrang bait, sobrang solid talaga. And syempre kila chef, at sa kanyang assistant, please, sarapan lalo pa yung mga foods. Grabe, sobrang solid. And syempre, ang open ng Coffee Spot, Sir Jay. Thank you sa lahat. Sobrang thank you sa lahat ng pumunta sa ating mga family ng Coffee Spot. Sobrang thank you talaga.
Franchise strong, built on unity. Discipline, pressure, legacy. Every brew, every smile, every goal we on.
Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo, lalo na po kay Miss Camille, na lagi ko pong nakakausap, nagbibigay ng advice, suggestions, at naniniwala po sa kakayahan namin.
The future is bold as Coffee Spot. Grind never stops. Coffee Spot. Dreams on top. Coffee Spot. Nationwide we shine, we rock. All together, Coffee Spot.
Side, syempre, dapat lagi natin ginagalingan sa bawat pagtimpla ng kape. And also, katulong yan is yung ating management side din. Kapag na perfect natin lahat ng yan, automatically, magiging successful ang ating business.
Oh, Coffee Spot. Raise your cup up high. Hustle and grind. We reach for the sky. From the corner streets to the nationwide line. We ride.
I'm so proud of you, girl, diba? Kung ano na yung nararating mo. So, wala akong ibang gustong or hangad, kundi yung success ng business.
We rise together. We are Coffee Spot. Feel the hustle. Live it right.
To everyone who came to celebrate with us today. My partner and I have always talked about few dreams we wanted to achieve, and being able to make one of those dreams come true today, it really feels truly overwhelming. Of all, I'm deeply grateful to my partner. Yeah, I would also like to thank our Coffee Spot families for their incredible support, and of course, my sincere appreciation goes to all of our guests who are here with us today.
Coffee Spot forever in time.
So I'm inviting you guys here at Coffee Spot Sampaloc, Manila. So we're open Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. So we are offering food, drinks, from the rice meal to the pasta, for the snacks and also the dessert. So we are open for family gatherings, students here. So please come join us every day. We have promos right now, so please come and see us.
Welcome to Coffee Spot sa Palok